Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal a very special card kit that we've put together for you, which will be on pre-sale and shipping the week of October 17th. We have so much packed into this kit, and I'll start off with our 6x8 stamp set. This is called First Night, and it has all those great greetings that you might want to put on your religious cards. Also, in the horizontal format, we have some scenes that you can build by stacking and layering your stamps, and then you can add the smaller images on top. We have a few dies for you in this kit, and this first one is called Angelic, that features an angel with the wings and the flowing hair along with her halo. I've die cut this in some of the gold paper, and you can really see the nice reflection and the fine detailed lines. The next die is called Twinkle Stars, and this is a one-piece die that cuts out several stars. I've also cut this in the gold paper, and don't forget you can use the inside stars to put onto your cards as embellishments. We're also including a 3D embossing folder, and this is called All Stars. This was also embossed in the gold paper. All you need to do is cut your panel, slide it into your folder, and run it through your die cut machine with the suggested sandwich for embossing. We've created a stencil for you. This is called Holy Stars, and it has some of those classic stars. It also has the starburst coming off from some of the larger ones. This is great for using with pastes and some of your ink blending. You'll also receive a package of autumn sky sequins, and there are confetti shapes in here as well as stars. These are nice and light colored with a lot of gold to complement the theme of this kit. You'll also receive a pack of 21 small tags, and they have 3 designs, and there's 7 of each. You'll also get a bundle of twine, and they also come with an eyelet already attached. We're also including a pack of 6 shimmer tags. These have a light golden shine to them, and they also come with a bundle of gold twine. Another great item to personalize your cards is the Sakura Gold Metallic Calligraphy Marker with a nice shiny metallic ink. Also included in this kit is a 3-yard roll of American Crafts gold washi tape, and this has an adhesive back that you can just peel away and add a strip to your cards. This is a fabric glitter tape with a beautiful shine. You'll also receive a bottle of the Tim Holtz mica spray in tarnished brass, and I've already sprayed out a sample. It has a really nice golden sheen, and you can use this through your stencils or just onto your cardstock to create a quick background. You'll also receive a roll of our very low tack tape, and this is perfect for using with your die cuts, especially on some of your metallic papers. So you can just tear off a piece to hold your die down as you die cut. You'll also receive a tube of our craft glue stick, and this is ultra smooth and perfect for putting paper to paper. It has a really nice tight fitting lid to keep your glue from drying out. We have a sampling of papers for you. These are 6x6 double-sided papers, and they feature a Bethlehem scene from Crafter's Companion. Some of the sheets feature gold foiling, and others have an embossed look to their images. There's a mixture of blues and gold highlights with angels and stars that you can mix and match and put together. These papers are perfect to stamp on, and you can also use your Holy Star stencil and add some glitz and glimmer on top. Some of these papers have a beautiful motif that you could use as a background to some of the other items that you have in the kit, especially this one with that gold foiling on that teal. You can also use these to cut up and add to your cards with messages. And you could also do a patchwork with all the different patterns mixed together for a multicolored effect. So again, that is 12 6x6 sheets, double-sided from Crafter's Companion. We're including 3 envelopes for you. This first is a slimline soft navy and metallic gold and white in A2 size. And all 3 of these have that peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. We have 4 sheets of cardstock for you. This first one is a Simon Says Stamp matte gold, and it's perfect for using with your really fine detailed dies. We also have a sheet of the Simon Says Stamp soft navy and peacock, and then 1 sheet of Neenah 80-pound classic crest. You'll also receive one of our mesh zipper bags, and the colors will vary. And these are perfect for storing your entire kit contents right inside so you can keep it all together. Up next, I have some inspiration for you from some of our designers. I created this card using some of that pattern paper, and I stamped the Bethlehem scene in gray and used my gold die cut angel and also a tag with a message on top. Callie created a beautiful slimline card with some ink blending and a night sky, and stamped in black for a dramatic effect. Susan used the embossing folder and also a message from the stamp set to create this beautiful festive card. And finally, Beth used the stencil along with some paste and foiled it to add additional stars to her background paper. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our kit first night. Be sure to check the links below on how to order this special kit, and also check out the link to our blog post for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.